To hide files on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Here we'll need to find security and privacy options and look for the more security settings. Then you can enter secure folder, and if you do it for the first time, it will ask you for a setup. So I've made a dedicated video on how to perform setup on secure folder. You can check it on my channel right here. So when you have a secure folder fully set up, we can then just go back to the home screen and try to find app called secure folder. So it should be somewhere on your home screen, or if you swipe up in the app drawer. I have it right here. It should look exactly like this app right here in the bottom right corner. If you click on this app, it may ask you for a password. If you entered the password previously, it won't. So now we can add the files that we want to the app. If there's My Files app, you can click on those three dots and then go to add files. You can select images and then pick whichever image you want to add to your secure folder. That way you'll be able to copy it, which will make both copies, so you'll be able to access this image or file normally through your Files app when you're not using secure folder, and also while using secure folder. If you move it, this file will be accessible only in secure folder. So let's move it. That's what we want to do actually. And then if I open My Files, I should be able to find this image right here, as you can see. So that is the first way that you can use it. And now to actually lock it. Each time you're going to access your secure folder, so depending on the settings that you've chosen during the setup, you'll be able to lock and exit it. That way, if you open it again, it will ask you for a password, which means that's how we can hide the files on our device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.